Hey guys, let's talk about how you can see a Mubview camera on a PC using the iSPY software. I am assuming here that you already have the iSPY software up and running, just like I have here with 3 cameras. So I have some Tapo cameras working here, and I'm going to add this Mubview camera as well. So it's pretty simple. The Mubview camera needs to run the ONVIF protocol. That's the universal software for security cameras. So you just come here to your camera. Okay, and open the Mubview app, go to the camera and go to settings. There we go. You see here the camera, balcony cam. Then just look for ONVIF settings. That's the one. Here just enable ONVIF. That's the universal protocol for security cameras. Here just take note of the IP address because you're gonna use it later. And the account, admin, and the password 123456. Any password that you want there, and I'm going to use that way. Okay, just hit OK and everything's good. You can just leave like this if you want to, so you can take a look later when you come here to set it up. Then you just come to your iSPY software, come here to the menu and new device, choose a slot here. I'm gonna select this one and hit network camera wizard. Just hit record if you want to record, alerts if you want to get alerts, and okay. Now you just need to select here the make or the brand of the camera. If you look for Mubview, there's one model listed only. It's not the one that I'm using here, so I've just select here unlisted. Okay, and then the camera username, admin, and the password 123456, the one that I have there. There we go, channel 0, just leave it like this. Okay, and now it returns some IP addresses here. Is not the camera's one, so I just need to type here the camera's one. I have it here because I was testing before, but basically just need to type the IP address here, and then their TSP port for this camera is 8554. Okay, so just leave like this, hit next, and wait for it to connect. You see here that finds 2 streams that you can use. When you hover over here, you see the streams that are available, and you just can test and use any of them. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one and just wait for it to load. Here's going to load and ask for the camera's name. See here that I have the camera already working on the left side. Just type here Mubview Camera using the ONVIF protocol. Here the icon, I can just select any icon that I want. Let's select this one for PTZ cameras. And the device colors, you can select any color that you want. Just select one that you like. Put some note if you want to. Mubview balcony. Hit OK. And it's done. When I click here, I can see the camera and it's basically working. So pretty simple. That's the way you can view this camera, a Mubview camera on a PC using the iSPY software. Just enable the ONVIF protocol, get the IP address, come here, use the wizard, and add a new Mubview camera to your iSPY software. Okay, I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.